Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. This thing has been just an absolute monster the past few days, and today was just that much more, a little bit louder. What do I mean by loud? Well, up until this point, I'm not going to say volume was non-existent, but volume was just kind of not that huge. But then today, all of a sudden, you can see that the volume occurred a lot more. So all of a sudden, it's not really in ninja mode anymore. Kind of made a coming out party today, announcing that hey, this chart is looking really good. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about some areas of resistance. The ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right here at $2.20. Now, if the price falls below 220, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined. But yeah, if the price can stay above 220, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support is, really for the people that care about the grand scheme of things, the overall move. What do I mean by quote unquote the move? This is what I'd be defining as the move. So easiest way to kind of gauge the strength, the health of that, all revolves around the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move upwards and upwards and upwards. And the very cut and dry way to look at that, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the trend, the health of the bulls is at 100%. The bulls are in full control. So that's the easy way to do that. Again, yeah, you want to see the price hold above 220, but if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because you still do have that trend indicator there, the 50-period moving average. What about levels of resistance? As things stand right now, the sellers seem to be hanging out right up there at $2.47. You can see on two different occasions, bulls try to push up through there, but couldn't quite do it. So that is definitely, the area of resistance right there. And in my opinion, I'm not going to talk about any other resistance levels because that breaking resistance is not a huge priority right now. Top priority is just go through a healthy consolidation, build higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So another nice day today, and as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, then that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.